There is something important for you to note today, right? Pain and pleasure are the same thing viewed from different spectrums. Just like heaven and hell are the same thing viewed from different perspectives. So it's the head, the crown to the heel, the root chakra. It is your perspective of the unhealed wound or the healed wound. And so you know that you are in survival mode if you struggle with self pleasure. Now, self pleasure is mental or mentally, self pleasure emotionally, self pleasure physically, self pleasure spiritually, and then self pleasure sexually. So if you struggle to enjoy yourself in those areas, you are in survival mode. And so if you have not overcome the shame, the blame, the guilt, the self judgment, the fear, and the embarrassment, you get stuck in the pain. And so it becomes hard for you to find safety because now, instead of the pleasure of that experience, you are experiencing the pain of that experience. You might have heard of the pain body. The pain body is the memory of the time you were a child and you weren't allowed to process or express your feelings. So the suppression of your feelings keeps you stuck in that moment of not knowing what your parents or your guardians, how they were going to react or respond. And so that feeds into the impact or what impacts your life, which is the unhealed trauma, which is the programming and the conditioning that you were conditioned into. It's the modeled behavior. And then it's the identity or the lack of identity that you were gifted with, right? And so everything, any perceived problem is always just an opportunity for you to open up space within that space. If you want to move from survival mode, you have to be able to name that thing, not escape that thing and that feeling and sensation that is making you hide your self pleasure in all those areas. If you want to move from survival mode into safety mode so that you can enjoy the pleasures of life, then book yourself a session.